here is the DJI Mini mic. And I recently picked up like 3 different mics, so hopefully this is a better option. Nice packaging. Comes with this carrying pouch. It's a good little pouch. Inside we have 2 dead cats, our windscreen. We got some cables here. So we got a phone attachment here, and we got a camera attachment, which I plan to use this on my camera. And we got a silicone pack. Inside here, we have the actual transmitter and the microphones themselves. If I can get this open, I am fully capable. This has got to be the nicest plastic. Not for nothing though. Alright, and so here we have the DJI transmitter. It's labeled here, press to unlock. And inside we have the transmitter, we have the microphones, and we have some different attachments here. First impression, this seems to be really good quality, opposed to something like this here. Testing 1. So this is the audio coming from the Mic Mini. How does it sound? Is there a difference between an $80 mic and a $20 mic? Let me know below. So the quality on this seems to be right on par. Now the sound quality, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see on the playback. So this is the first attempt at doing a video. It's been almost 2 years. I'm kind of rusty at it. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys want to see going forward? So I'm leaning towards reaction videos, but I'm not sure if that's what you guys want to see. So drop a comment below and let me know. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys continue to be kind and see me on the next one. All right, cut.